So when you're ready to take off and you're getting ready to gear yourself up for an exercise or a brisk morning after the rain to get onto a bike ride, as simple as turning the power on for the bicycle here, it's as easy as just stepping on the pedal and ready to go without needing to use an app. This is plug and play and we're off, because this thing is going to start moving right at 5 kilometers per hour. It's going to give you a maximum speed of about 25 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 50 kilometers or 31 miles. Now, with the LIVALL PikaBoost2, this is the Lite series. So, best of all again, is that once you get up to speed, you can let off the pedals and it's just going to give you that extra assist. How cool is that? So when you're looking to give yourself the ultimate e-bike conversion, LIVALL. So I highly encourage and recommend checking this product out, because you get to keep your old bike and bring it in with the new. And best of all, you get to bring your experience from riding a bicycle to even enjoying the exercise a little bit more. Yo, what's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here over at 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are taking a look at LIVALL's latest PikaBoost2 Lite Edition. So this guy right beside me here, the Lite Edition, this is designed to give you the fastest, easiest installation process ever. So with only just one tool, it's a 30-second installation designed to hook right up to your seat post, mount right up against your tire. Now, if you're wondering what style bikes that this will actually fit, it can only fit with a fixed frame bike. So if you have a rear suspension, it does not work on it. So if you have a fixed frame, this will go from tire sizes from
14 inches
all the way to 29. Now, this is designed to convert your bike into an e-bike. Give your bike the latest technology with the most up-to-date experience without having to replace your bike. So all bike shops hate when I say this. You do not have to change your bike to get the latest and greatest. Back to the point, with this particular product, it is going to be able to give you that full experience of an assist, up to 50 kilometers or 31 miles. Now, the parameters of that, it's going to give you that official assist between right around 5 kilometers per hour up to 25 kilometers per hour, which is about 15 miles per hour max speed. So whether you have kids or yourself, family, loved ones, it's going to give you the overall enjoyment and experience of being able to not struggle and stress. So perfect for all environments. And best of all, it's IPX5 rated. So if it's going to get wet, you are worry-free because it's not going to damage it. So I'm going to bring you in for a closer look so that way you can kind of get a full idea how this thing actually works and the quality you're going to expect. Stay tuned. From here, we have the full-on housing. With this housing cover, it's going to give you that overall official rubber seal. Now, moving along to the back, we have the rubber wheel itself. This is going to give you a complete wet experience as far as for the wear and tear for up to 5,000 kilometers of usage. Now, as far as this overall size, it is incredibly compact with its design. So LIVALL did a fantastic engineering design when making this compact, providing a lot of powerful performance. Now, it's a simple, easy one-step operation. There is a power button. We press and hold this, and it's going to activate and start right up. So once it's flashed and ready to go, you can either do one of two things: jump right on and start riding, or connect it with the app. I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick here right on the stand how easy this actually works. There we go. If you guys can't see that, that is the assist mode in full effect, and it's riding for a good amount of distance. I gotta admit, that's pretty slick. So just give it a little bit of a pedal and it's going to keep on pushing. All right. Now that I got that shown to you guys, let me show you another hidden gem. So with the PikaBoost2, the latest series here in the Lite edition, this battery is 21.9 volts. We've got a battery indicator here. Now, it takes approximately 3 hours to charge. Now, this right here for this bike, I'm gonna say is a superpower, because not only is it usable for the bike, but if you happen to have a phone or a tablet that happens to be lost out of power, as long as you have a charging cable with you that connects to Type-C, you can use this as a battery pack and it will charge your devices. So I don't know if you can see that right there, but I am charging my tablet off of the PikaBoost battery. The nice thing also about this particular battery pack that is inside the PikaBoost is that even at 1,000 cycles, it's still going to be at 80% capacity. So this thing is going to give you that full-on longevity peace of mind for years to last. And like I mentioned about the wheel, the wear and tear on that V-groove is going to give you a tremendous amount of lifespan. And the versatility for all different style tires, all different types of bikes with the fixed frame. So here we have the LIVALL app. Once we power it on, we are already connected. Now, to access the settings, it's a matter of selecting the device itself. This gives you the customizability of changing the name, and we can also change what is referred to as the assist mode. So you have standby and assist mode. My recommendation is assist mode all the time. So next, you're also going to see where it says the assist level. For me, I happen to enjoy the powerful, just because I ride the heck out of this thing, especially in my morning time rides, which you're gonna see tomorrow morning once I jump on. Now, one other thing I also want to mention out here is the rear light setting. So when I turned it on, it was set for the flash. So you don't have to have the light on at all, or you can have it on all the time. So it gives you a lot of customization. LIVALL, they've got a tremendous amount of product line. For more information about this product itself, go to their website. Look at all of the specifications on this thing, because there are so many features and details that are beyond what I shared with you today. And they've got a wonderful product lineup that is going to blow your mind with everything that they offer. Check them out. Go to their website. You're going to love it. Guarantee it. Thank you guys for watching.